Welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at our SAP integrated applications that are built specifically for owners, EPCMs, and contractors who are involved in project-centric, asset-intensive industries. These applications have been designed for the roles that drive construction project success. Roles like estimators, planners, engineers, even operators and foremen. And the best part is, they're easy to deploy and they've got years of real-world usage behind them. Our connected solution provides a complete suite that spans from the front office to the job site. In this video, we'll focus on the mobility applications that are used at the job site to improve field productivity. Daily visual inspection is a field solution enabled on mobile devices for operators to inspect equipment before it gets utilized in the field. The solution provides a fast, automated way for operators to complete standardized checklists for different types of equipment. When a problem is identified, the operator can describe the issue and even include a photo in the inspection log that gets sent back to the office. That way, a mechanic can be assigned to the issue immediately, minimizing equipment downtime. Let's take a look. As an operator, I just choose the machine I'm about to operate and the system gives me the right checklist. If I spot an issue, I click the red X and now I can choose a predefined reason code and/or make notes to get more specific about the problem. I can also take a photo with my mobile device and include it with the inspection log to provide even more context for the mechanic, so it's crystal clear what the problem area is. When I'm ready, I just hit the Submit button to transmit the inspection log back to the office, where it can immediately be prioritized and assigned to a mechanic to get the problem addressed. Now I can go to the notification screen to see the status of everything I've submitted. Back in the office, managers can view the submitted inspection reports and outstanding notifications, make assignments to generate work orders, and run reports. With daily visual inspection, operators can complete equipment inspections and trigger repair and maintenance requests faster than ever before, which makes the equipment and the operator more productive. Mobile Work Order is a field solution for maintenance technicians to receive and prioritize work orders, record work completed, update repair status, and record their work hours for payroll. It streamlines the entire process of communicating, prioritizing, and tracking repair work orders. As a mechanic running Mobile Work Order on my mobile device, I can see the work orders that have been assigned to me and their status. I can see which machine has the problem, along with the job site where the machine is located. One click shows me the notes that were entered by the inspector. Another click brings up more details, including relevant part numbers. I can also click through to see any related documents that are linked in from our document management system. Before I enter hours for each task, I may want to add some other operations that I know I'll be working on so that I can turn in time against all of them at once. As you can see, as I enter the hours worked for each task, the system calculates how much time is remaining, which I can override if I care to. When a task is complete, I would simply click the Complete checkbox. When I click the Submit button, the system prompts me through the sign-off process. That's all there is to it. The information has now been submitted back to the office so everyone knows the status of my work and my time gets recorded for payroll. Play of the Day is a mobile application for foremen, engineers, and superintendents to plan and track work for their crew on a daily basis. Replacing paper or spreadsheet-based timesheets, the solution can be used to record daily results by reporting time and quantities against the plan, with instant confirmation of gain or loss. These results are used to record project progress, drive payroll, and provide real-time job cost reporting for management. Here's a glimpse of Play in the Day in action. As a foreman, I can see the plans I have made most recently for my I-25 project, along with their approval status. From here, I can choose one of these plans as the basis for a timesheet. I can make a new plan for tomorrow, or I can choose Skip Planning and go immediately to filling out a timesheet. I'll create a new plan. Notice the tabs across the top that provide a quick way to get to the various elements of the plan. First step is choosing the tasks or WBS codes that will be performed. Lots of filtering options are available, or I can just type the code if I know what I'm looking for. Now let's choose the resources that will be used to perform the work. Again, I can use the filtering, or just type in names and ID numbers. Notice I can choose a crew to bring in a group of employees and equipment all in one step. The Time and Quantities tab allows me to enter in the expected hours worked for each employee, as well as the expected quantity to be completed for each task. That way, I can see how this plan compares to the budget. Red indicates where I'm expecting to spend more man-hours or more cost than is in the budget to achieve the planned quantity. Once the plan is approved and the work has been performed, I can open the plan to enter execution results. On the Execution tab, I can enter hours worked for each resource, as well as the actual quantity completed. The system totals up the hours by task and by resource. I can also enter notes at any time to document any issues, weather conditions, anything I might want to reference down the road in the event of a dispute. Now that we've entered the actual results, the Production tab shows how we did. Did we beat the plan? Did we beat the budget? The green and red colors again provide a quick visual indication of how the work went. Now all that's left to do is validate the timesheet information and complete the sign-out process, which is available for both managers and employees. With my work done for the day, I simply hit the sync button and everything gets transmitted back to the office electronically, where it feeds into payroll, updates the percent complete for all the tasks, and creates an historical record of the day's work, complete with notes. Now preliminary job cost reports can be run first thing in the morning or even at the end of each shift, providing visibility into potential problem areas right away. So what can these mobile applications do for your business? Here's an example of how the power of mobility, combined with these specialized applications, has made a significant impact for this customer by speeding up workflows and decreasing costs. And that does it for this brief overview of our SAP integrated, field-proven mobile applications, part of our connected solution suite for construction.